Hi, Kat. During this week, we're going to learn about a new topic. This topic is about class objects. So let's start. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Let's review the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's see how's the weather today. Is the weather partly cloudy? Is the weather cloudy? Is the weather sunny? Is the weather windy? Is the weather rainy? Is the weather stormy? Or is the weather snowy? How's the weather today? Let's start with the school object. Okay, so we're going to learn here. Backpack, backpack. Paint, paint. Pencil case, pencil case. Ruler, ruler. Sharpener, sharpener. Eraser, eraser. Color pencil, color pencil. Pencil, pencil. Crayons, crayons. Book, book. Scissors, scissors. Glue, glue. Okay, kids, that was all. So remember to stay at home and please wash your hands. Bye bye. Kisses, kisses.